Hey everybody, in this video we are being asked to factor a polynomial. This is a trinomial, it's a cubic trinomial. Usually when I first look at a trinomial, my brain wants to go to AC method, but you gotta remember to always check for a GCF first. Do not forget. In this example, look carefully at all of the elements, all of the components, all of the terms. What do they have in common? Everything has a 4 and everything has an x. So 4x is our greatest common factor. I'm going to divide that from all of the components from each part. And what does that leave me with? I am left with an x squared in that first part minus 16 divided by 4 is 4x squared divided by x is x. Then 12 divided by 4, so I got plus 3 and x are gone. Now you always got to ask yourself, can I factor more? Sometimes GCF is all you can do. In this case, I can do AC method. 1 times 3 is, well, 3. What multiplies to give me 3? Well, 1 and 3. And then the B value is negative 4. So which pair? Well, I only have one pair, so if that doesn't work, it's prime. So how do I get negative 4 with a negative 1 and negative 3? You gotta practice your positive negative rules. Make sure you know those really well. So I'm gonna use negative 1 and negative 3. If you do it the long way, what does that look like? X squared minus 1x minus 3x plus 3, like this. Underline, underline, greatest common factor. Here it's an x, here it's a negative 3. Again, the 4x sits out front. X comes out, and it's x minus 1. Minus 3 comes out, and again, I have another x minus 1. Don't assume, make sure it is doing what you think it's going to be doing. Now, do I have anything in common? Yes, x minus 1 matches in both situations, so I'm going to pull that out. So 4x sits all the way out front. X minus 1 is there, and then what's left is the x minus 3. You have to circle your answer, box your answer. Please make sure to do that. And it is fully factored. Nothing inside my parentheses could be factored any further. The x is another way to kind of think of that is 4, x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 3. So, that might be helpful to think of it like that. So this is your thought bubble. I like the thought bubbles. In the future, you might want to think of it that way, but the answer in the box is totally fine for now. There should be a playlist coming on the screen that is full of more videos just like this one on the same and similar topic. Hopefully you find everything you need there, and hopefully you got everything you needed out of this video. If it was good for you, give a thumbs up. If it was not a good video for you, you could go ahead and give a thumbs down. Comments, feedback in the comments for me, please. And that's it for now. Adios.